Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware, which is called Bttu. This is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video guide will give you recommendations how to avoid this ransomware. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you what can happen with the files when this ransomware affects them. So you've just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open files without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data can be opened easily. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. And then people would realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This Bttu ransomware affects the files, and then it also appends this Bttu extension to the files, and it's not possible to use the files anymore. This Bttu extension is appended to all the file names. Then the ransomware would tell the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then the software should most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Combo Cleaner is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, though, but it helps to protect your files from being damaged by any other possible ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know the information about threats and their locations on the system. Based on the summary of threats, some of them can be removed manually, but I also recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license. Premium license will help you to actually protect all your files from being damaged or infected in the future. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to effectively detect this ransomware. Once again, I want to mention that it does not decrypt files. No, it is not able to decrypt or recover the data, but it will help to protect your files from being damaged in the future.